We're going, it's a Jamaican Thing TV fans, guys. Guess over there today. Garden Town. You don't know. Who is that? Miss Lou. Yeah, man, with the Garden Town, my guys. Upper St. Andrew. Yeah, man, that's off. You don't know when Sutton. They go towards Blue Mountain. You reach Garden Town before you reach to Blue Mountain. Who is that? Miss Lou. Right in the town. Garden Town, guys. So we're going. Yeah, man, Garden Town with the guy can't think TV. I gotta bring it to you. How the thing come? How the thing come down? Courthouse sign. Community Resource Center. Police station right there. Yeah, man. Miss Lou.